If you're running an online store and you're spending hours searching for new products to sell on your online store, definitely this video is for you because we're gonna cover up top 5 platforms for dropshipping and for e-commerce that will help you to work much faster. So stick around till the end of this video, not to miss any important part. Jump in and we're gonna start. In a world dominated by e-commerce, running a successful dropshipping business can be really challenging. And if you're tired of spending hours searching for products that sell, then look no further than Autods dropshipping software. It is designed to optimize and automate your business in various marketplaces such as Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and a lot of others. With Autods, you can easily import products from various sources, manage inventory, search for items, and fulfill orders, but that's not all. The system offers powerful product research, analytics, and reporting tools to help you make data-driven decisions and grow your business. The competitors and uncover new opportunities by utilizing the power of the TikTok Spy tool. With the TikTok Spy tool, you can easily scroll through TikTok content, filtering it by the number of likes, views, and interactions, and discovering the most popular products. Importing these trendy items to your store has never been easier. Whether you're a recent entrepreneur or just starting, this tool will transform your business, giving you a competitive edge. It's really like having a team of experts hand select the best options just for you. Once you fill the perfect product, you can easily import it through the Autods marketplace, but even if you don't find it there, don't worry. You can access a wide range of options from trusted suppliers like AliExpress, and the Autods team is committed ensuring you always have plenty of options to meet your business needs. Once you find the perfect product, easily import it through the Autods marketplace, but even if you don't find it there, don't worry, you can access a wide range of options from trusted suppliers like AliExpress. The Autods team is committed to ensuring you always have plenty of options to meet your business needs. The winning products feature serves as a valuable supplement for the existing marketplace functionality, providing you with an exceptional tool for sourcing high-performing items. With this section, you gain the ability to effortlessly find winning products that have undergone meticulous and comprehensive analysis encompassing vital aspects such as campaign strategy employed by successful sellers, target audience demographics, project profitability, and an abundance of detailed information that empowers you to make informed decisions. By leveraging this powerful feature, you can enhance your product sourcing and vendors and position yourself for greater success in your e-commerce ventures. So sign up for Autods and start your journey to dropshipping success. Today, as usual, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. WooCommerce. WooCommerce has tons of solutions that not only offered a free basic version, but also had a plethora of extensions, both free and paid, to enhance its capabilities. And the payment options from PayPal to Stripe and even direct bank transfers, it was spoiled for the choice, catering to an international audience, no problem. WooCommerce had me covered with its multi-currency support. And now I've always been a staker for security, especially when it comes to online transactions. And WooCommerce, with its regular updates and robust security measures, put mind at ease. I can recommend WooCommerce enough. It's versatile, customizable, and backed by a community that's always ready to help, so dive in and you won't be disappointed. BigCommerce. What struck me first about BigCommerce was its incredible flexibility. I've always had a specific vision of my brand, and BigCommerce's customizable templates allow me to bring that vision into life. The best part, I don't have to dive deep into coding or become a tech wizard. The platform is intuitively designed, making it breezy for both novice like me and seasoned e-commerce veterans. Diving deeper, I was impressed by the comprehensive tools that BigCommerce offered, from keeping track of my inventory to processing orders and understanding my customer better. Everything was at my fingertips. And the integrations, oh, they were a dream, considering connecting with payment gateways, shipping services, and marketing tools was smoother than I'd ever imagined. Now let's talk security. In today's digital age, ensuring customer data protection is paramount. BigCommerce, being PCI DSS compliant, gave me peace of mind knowing my customers' transactions were in safe hands, plus the regular updates ensures that any potential threats were capped at buy. To wrap up my tale, BigCommerce isn't just another e-commerce platform. For me, it was a partner in my online business journey, so strongly recommend it. The link is also in the description panel. Drupal. Ever stumbled upon an e-commerce solution that feels like it was tailor-made just for you? That's exactly how I felt when I first encountered Drupal Commerce. As I delved deeper, I realized that Drupal Commerce wasn't just another e-commerce platform, as at heart it designed with modularity, scalability, and customization in mind. This meant I could start with essential e-commerce features and then tweak them to fit my unique business needs, no matter its size or niche. But the cherry on top, its deep-rolled integration with Drupal, I could harness power one of the globe's most renewed content management system to supercharge my e-commerce endeavors. Leveraging Drupal's robust content creation tool, I was able to design multimedia-rich product page, weave e-commerce functionalities into my existing content, and even foster community around my offerings. Security, as usual, a paramount concern for any online venture, was another area where Drupal Commerce excelled. Built on Drupal's secure foundation, it was confident that both of my businesses and my customers' information were in safe hands. The regular updates, the vigilant Drupal community ensured that any potential threats were swiftly neutralized. To wrap it up, if you're on the lookout to kickstart or elevate your online store, Drupal Commerce is again worth exploring. Podia. When I first stumbled upon Podia, I was just skeptical. Another e-commerce platform? Well, okay. But what truly set Podia apart for me was its all-encompassing approach. I've dabbled with other platforms before, and the constant need for integrations and additional tools was just a nightmare. And Podia was a breath of fresh air. Everything I needed, from email marketing to affiliate management, was right there. No more juggling multiple tools or fatting over added costs. Customization, Podia had me covered. I could tweak my storefront to mirror my brand, ensuring a seamless experience for my audience. The drag and drop editor became my best friend, allowing me to make changes on the fly without breaking a sweat. On a financial front, Podia's transparent pricing was a godsend. No hidden fees, lurking in the shadows, but a word of caution for budding creators. It might feel that heavy on the pocket initially. I must give a shout out to Podia customer support. Anytime I hit a snag, they were right there guiding me through. To wrap it up, it's a powerhouse for creators, blending functionality with user friendliness. So guys, thanks y'all for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed. Hope this information was useful and you're gonna start or continue your journey into the e-commerce. As usual, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. Make sure to check it out. Thanks, see you in the next video, and bye-bye.